Alright, I'm sorry you missed this lab when we were in class and we did it because it was a wonderful lab and it was a lot of fun. However, since we have video technology, you can now watch this lab on film. So what I am going to do is the flame test lab. This is on page 16 and 17 of your lab book, so turn to that page in your green lab book and you're going to fill in some data. You'll see a table on page 17, I believe, with different elements listed. So I have these elements dissolved in water. I'm going to take a Q-tip and put the Q-tip in the element that is dissolved in water, and then I'm going to put it into the flame. And you are going to record what color you see and the intensity of the flame. So whether it's really bright or whether it's less intense. Okay, so the first element you can see is sodium. Okay, this is sodium. So in your lab book, you might now write down that sodium is orange, so just write the color orange, and that is a very intense flame. That was a very intense color. So you could write bright or intense. Okay? I'm going to stop making a lot of comments and just let you observe and write down the data. So I'll just show you what the next element is. It is potassium. Potassium. Alright, the next element is barium. This is barium. Okay, that was barium. Now we're going to do strontium. I'm not sure the order in your lab book, but just find a strontium and write down your observations of this one. Okay, the next element is calcium. So find calcium. We've got calcium. The next element is lithium. The last element that we know is copper. Copper looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? You can just watch this for hours. Alright, now we're going to move on to the unknowns. So what you need to do here is write down your observations in the table. Later on in the lab, you will be asked to determine what elements are in these unknowns based on what we already saw. So you will need to support your claims with evidence. So be prepared to do that. It's unknown number 1. Okay, unknown number 2 is next. Here's unknown 2. Okay, unknown 3. Pay special attention to what the liquid in the bottle looks like. This is unknown 3. Maybe a little bit unexpected. And unknown 4 is the last one I'm going to show you. So here's unknown 4. Alright, so that is all of the data that you need to collect. Hopefully you enjoyed that. What you need to do now is make sure you get on the Google Doc version of the lab, which is on Canvas, fill in the data table and answer the questions, and then upload the link to Canvas. And there are instructions of how to do that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.